Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm going to analyze the market for next week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down support, resistance, Fibonacci, and key levels to find out a proper entry or proper zone to take entry in next week. Where can be market go in next week? We will try to find out proper path or direction. Okay, as per our trading style, we will start our analysis firstly in weekly time frame. That means from lower time frame to higher time frame to lower time frame. That means weekly to daily, then H4, then we will take our entry in H1 time frame. And I have another analysis for scalper, that means M15 time frame trader or M5 time frame trader. That means gold is moving very fast, that's why we have to take some few scalping entry at that moment. And don't worry, if you are a long-term trader or swing trader, then we will analyze the market deeply. Okay, so as per our trading style, let's go for weekly time frame. As you can see there, from last few months, market is rapidly growing like strong bullish momentum, and last week market was given a bearish momentum. We thought market may be going to move more down, and in that case, or in that time, Venezuela's president arrested by Donald Trump or America, market is started to move bullish again. And there is a lot of thing to share, that means fundamental thing, or you can say that geopolitical issues. Greenland, okay, Greenland and Colombia, okay, those two countries, and there is many more countries. Donald Trump want to grab them, or Donald Trump want to control those countries. So Donald Trump just says I want Greenland for security or something else like that. That's why there is more geopolitical instability coming in upcoming days. So we can assume that technically market is going to move bullish. Okay, so we will think about that, and let's get back into our daily time frame to check the market direction, or where can be market move. And as you can see there, our all-time high zone, let me mark it. As you can see there, our all-time high zone is 4552 over here, and as you can see there is a bullish trend line formed, and previous all-time high already break over there, and market is trying to move bullish. So if we want to check, or if we want to say last 5 days candle, as you can see there, last 4 days candle was bullish, and 1 days, that means 1 is bearish and 4 is bullish. That means bullish momentum is still going on. So let's get back into H4 time frame to find out our entry or market direction. As you can see there in H4 time frame, let me zoom out a little bit more. So as you can see there in H4 time frame, if I want to draw proper trend line or resistance trend line over there, as you can see there, that was our trend line. And yesterday, that means last Friday, market just gives us a bullish breakout in NFP session. Okay, in NFP session, and NFP data indicate as bullish momentum for gold. That means in that month market also going to move on bullish momentum. This is one kind of indicates, that means fundamental indicates from NFP, from geopolitical issues, and from the technical chart. We will follow each and every indication, then we can decide the market movement. As you can see there is a trend line. So as per our breakout trading strategy, that is the basic thing. As you can see, market will go there, and there is a breakout. If you want to take any buy or sell entry, you have to wait till the zone, like that zone. Okay, what happened there? There is a breakout, then pullback, then we can consider a buy entry over that particular area. Our SL should be there, and our TP should be there, or you may choose all-time high zone there. Okay, this could be our fundamental thing, or technical thing, basic thing. If I want to go back into H1 time frame, you may see that in clearly, as you can see there. So we can consider this particular area as our buy entry. Okay, we have to wait for a pullback, then we can consider a buy entry. Okay, so this is our buying zone. Okay, buying zone. But remember one thing, that if you get any candle confirmation, like there is a candle confirmation to go buy. Okay, if I want to show you, there is a engulfing confirmation. Each and every momentum we have confirmation to go buy. If we get any buying confirmation there, then we can consider buy. Otherwise, if there is any kind of news like Donald Trump and Venezuela's president Nicolas Maduro sign an agreement, that means peaceful agreement, or Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin sign a peaceful agreement, then market will move bearish. This is the simple thing you have to understand, or you have to keep that concern in your mind, okay, from fundamentally. And in technically, right now market can move bullish, this is clear. And in fundamentally, there is more chaos coming in upcoming days for the geopolitical issues. So if more chaos there, gold is move bullish. If chaos going to be less, then gold can move bearish. This is the theory. You have to keep your concern on that things, or on that theories, okay. And we are going to share a lot of analysis in details, analysis and technical and fundamental things into our public Telegram channel. So if you aren't joined there, you may join there to get each and every day's market update, that means technical and fundamental things, and then you can get there a lot of analysis from Mr. Boom, okay. So let's remove all of them and let's get back into lower time frame to find out our entries for scalper. So okay, for lower time frame, if I want to show you in M15 time frame, okay, let's get back into M15 time frame. As you can see there is the simple thing. You have to decide the market momentum, that means bullish or bearish. If you think market is bullish right now, then you can mark some zone like that, okay, like that, okay. There is a breakout, suppose there is a breakout, we in that case we will avoid bearish entries. If we get confirmation, no worry, just avoid that, but because market on strong bullish momentum, okay. As you can see there, market, there is also a trend line in M15 time frame. We can consider only buy entries. There is okay. If the market comes there, then we can consider a buy entry. And for scalping entries, you can consider 50 bips SL, okay, and 150 bips TP, okay. Without that, without 1:3 risk reward ratio, you can take entry, otherwise you will lose your money. So you have to think about that. And as per I said before, we are going to share a lot of things, a lot of analysis, fundamental things, geopolitical issues into Telegram channel. So better you can join there. You will get each and every day morning update from our Telegram channel. So I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.